If you have ever needed UGC style video content, fast, on budget, without hiring actors or filming anything, I want to show you a tool called UGC Video AI. In this video, I am going to walk you through the interface, generate real content using 3 of its core features, and show you exactly what you get for free when you sign up. Let's get into it. First, let's create an account from scratch so you can see exactly what happens. I'll fill in my email, set a password and confirm, and there we go, we are in. Now here's the first thing worth mentioning. As soon as you sign up, you get 30 free credits, no payment required. You can see that right here in the credit balance. Now that's enough to test out a handful of generations before you ever have to think about paying for anything. So before we generate anything, let's do a quick lap of the interface so you know where everything lives. On the left here is the main navigation panel, as you can see, and on the top you'll see your credit balance, and here is your account settings, and this is the workplace where we will be creating the videos. Now here we will talk about mainly 3 features, that is UGC character, UGC add video, and the motion sync. So here on the left you can see that these are the tools that we have. So first we will be talking about the UGC character. Now let's go to the UGC character. So this allows you to create a character which will act as a presenter in the video. So let's start from an image. Here you can upload a reference image. Let's enter the character name, and I'll say social media influencer who click on generate, and now this will take about a few minutes and then the character will be made. So as you can see, a character has been made like this in a few seconds. Now let's talk about the feature 2, that is the UGC add video. Now this allows you to create a sort of an advertisement. Now from here you can upload the photo of the product. After it's done uploading, click on save. Now you can add the influencer. You can select from the library, or you can add your influencer, that is the character that you created. So I'll select this one. Now here you can write the prompt, and you can add your voice or maybe create your sound as well. So you can create your sound by adding a custom voiceover, or you can even add a voice from their library. So I'll just add a voice and then click on generate. So now this will take a few more minutes and then we'll be done. So now you can see that our video has been created, and also this looks a little odd, but obviously you can create this using their own influencers from the library. From here you can choose some other influencer and it will look much better. Now let's go on to the last tool, that is the motion sync. Now you can select motion sync from here, all tools, then go to motion sync. Now what motion sync does is it can copy any gesture that you have written in the prompt. So let's add some influencer like this and paste a prompt, then click on generate. And now this will take a few minutes and it will generate it. It should be ready in 4 minutes and then we'll be done. Alright, so as you can see that the video has been created, and this is how you can create the UGC videos that you want. It's really simple. So you can just go sign up on this website from the link in the description, and it will give you free 30 credits just the moment you sign up. Check it out, the link is in the description.